Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with notable developments and risks. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering Eason Technology Limited, ticker DXF, formerly Dunix Financial Holdings, an investment holding company now focused on digital security solutions and real estate operations after its name change effective January 2025. This year brought a strategic shift. The company secured HK 1.5 million in funding from Renine Capital for its digital technology subsidiary and issued additional American depository shares under its 2025 equity program to support growth. However, volatility remains high. Shares hit a 52-week high near $48 early in 2025, but closed 2025 at $1.53 after a 23.5% drop on the final trading day, with low volume and ongoing microcap swings reflecting speculative trading. With a new technology emphasis amid challenges, DXF continues as a high-risk watch in evolving sectors. Turnaround potential or continued caution? Share your thoughts below. Buy on dip, hold, or sideline. Like for more volatile stock insight, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Now, guys, wanted to also say earlier, I should have said it earlier, Happy New Year. Be sure to check out the links in the video description below. Make some money. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. I love you all. Let's make 2026 a great year. I'll see you in the next one.